To set up Hotspot on Redmi Note 15 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to enter more connectivity options right there, and then go into Portable Hotspot. Click on it, then activate your portable hotspot with this switch. You can also turn it off right here. Then when it's on, you can go into Setup Portable Hotspot. This will reveal all of the settings for it. You can change the name of your hotspot, you can see the password like this, and you can also change the password to whatever you want. Keep in mind that it needs to have at least 8 different digits or same digits. It just needs to have 8 digits. Then there's the security. Here you can choose if you want to have a password. If you don't, click on none. If you want password, then go for WPA2 or 3 option. There's also option to hide your SSID, which will require other person that wants to connect with it to connect it manually. Now we need to click on OK to save the settings, and our new hotspot is created. There's also option to share QR code. That means you can connect to the hotspot using QR code on other device. You can also go for the one-time data limit and apply the limit on how much somebody else will be able to use your hotspot for. For example, you can set it to 50 megabytes, and then this will be the limit of data that can go through that hotspot. Next is turn off hotspot automatically. If there's no devices connected to your hotspot for some time, then it will shut down automatically. There's also support 6th generation standard. Some devices may be incompatible with this standard. So if you want, you can activate it. This should speed up your network, but if there's older devices trying to connect with it, they might not have that possibility. And honestly, that is everything that you can see here. There's also connected devices right here. That means you can check which devices are currently connected with your hotspot. There's also the tethering, but that's a different topic for different video. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.